This right here is a very, very valuable little document bag. And this is the reason why it's valuable is because you put your valuable things in there, and it's fireproof, it's waterproof. This is something you're going to put your passports, your marriage certificates, your insurance papers, things like that, that you do not want to burn down. This thing is really, really just quality material. You could feel it, like when you hold it. This thing is very, very quality. It has, I love that it has the reflective stripe on it too, so in some kind of an emergency, a flashlight, you'd be able to see it really easily. This whole thing is basically, I think it's pretty much reflective as well. It's got the fire, like the heat resistant fabric inside. You can see how that goes in there, and so you can zip it up, and then you can Velcro it down and button it down. And this is gonna keep it, just keep all of those important documents, pictures, things that you have that you do not want to risk right in here. So if you're looking for something like this to keep everything safe, highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.